Hello, this is Trevor. This is day 2 of the Mystery Lab challenge of doing request smuggling. Same rules as yesterday. I can use my script to identify once, and then I need to validate the vulnerability. Once I have it validated, then I can look at the objective to solve it. So let's get going. I should have opened that in a new tab. Oh well. Let's hope we can get more than 2 done today, which would be awesome. Okay, so let's start by running the script. Python, quick detection, this. See what we have. Admin page forbidden. So no H2. CLTE. Sweet. Let me verify that by turning on burp. Go in here. So the front end uses CL, the back end uses TE. Send a repeater. So I'm going to delete all of this, actually. And then I'm going to put content length 3 transfer encoding chunked. I want the front end to see everything, the back end to only see. So I'm going to do 0. So the back end stops there. And I'm going to do like get Trevor HTTP 1.1 host will be this. And then I want somewhere for the next request to come in. Actually, I don't want the host there. Yeah, I want it like that. So, content length will get automatically updated to contain everything. Front end will see everything. Back end will end here. And this will be held into the reserve. So that means that if I send this to repeater, we get a 200 by itself. When I group these, RS, boom, and we run them in sequence, separate connections, this time it's going to get a 404. Or at least it should. Let's send it. Oh, wow. Got to fix that first. All right. This one, 404. Now, if I got it to get something else, like what? This proxy post copy repeater. Now instead of 404, the second one will get this post. 200. And there's that post. Woo! Okay, we validated it. Now we can look at the objective, which I think I remember is it's get the user Carlos. Delete the user Carlos. Okay. So we had admin, but it was forbidden. So CLT. What if we just tried getting admin here like this? What would happen here? Unauthorized only available to local users. We need to modify the host. I think, though, we can try it, but remember where that the second request is attaching. That means there'll be duplicate hosts. Local host, which I think will error, but we can try it. Duplicate header names. Yep. Okay. So instead of CLT, we can try to smuggle that request. Boom, boom, like that. So the next one is in the body here. Let's try that. 200. Hey, look at that. Boom. I'm going to copy this. Paste it. Send it. I don't know if that actually worked. Hey, looks like I got it. Yes. Sweet. All right. One down. Couldn't have been easier. Let me turn off burp. Hit back. Hit back. All right. Make sure we're back. HTTP request. Let's do another. I'm only going to do this for maybe an hour. And if today is super smooth, this will be the last day. If I run into major issues, I'll have to do this at least one more time until things go smooth. All right, so we're running the script on the next one. Let's see what we get. Forbidden seems to be when I need admin page does not exist. H2 is in use. H2 CRLF injection TE. So H2 TE with CRLF. Oh, okay. Well, we jumped up a notch here. So let's get this into burp proxy. Get that one. Send a repeater. Okay. H2. So that means we need, let's make this H2 first. We're going to delete all of this. Put that back. Check this. And request attributes H2. Send. Make sure we get a 200. Now, what we've got to do is got to do a post H2TE. So we need transfer encoding. No, transfer dash encoding chunked. But I think this is going to error out. So if I do one, I don't know what it should be, and then get Trevor HTTP 1.1 0 blank line. and then foo. I don't think this is right. I think this is going to error. It did not. This doesn't make sense to me. Oh, content length. Update, remove this. We need to make sure content length is correct, or I mean the chunk heading. So local 49154, 4915, I think. Yeah. So 1C. We get a 200. Then if we send this one, whoops, send a repeater. What the heck is, come on. And then we send this one after it. So add tagged group, create tagged group. This second one, we'll do both of these. We'll do this and send in sequence. Yeah, that did not work. Okay. So H2TE. That means front end's using H2. Back end will use transfer encoding chunked. So to make, right now it sees the whole thing. So we want 0 space like this. Still didn't work. And maybe this is where that, but I thought I would get an error if I needed to tell me I needed to do CRLF injection. Checking site for H2. So we got H2TE attacks. H2 transfer encoding chunked. Boom. This one hits here. Maybe this one has to be H2 also. Does that make sense? No, I don't think this one does. H2TE. All right, I'm going to have to go to here. H2TE like this. Transfer coding chunked 0. So what I have. I want to make this longer. There we go. Was there an admin page? Does not exist. So what am I doing wrong here? Transfer coding chunked, but a 0 can't be right there. Get /admin host. It might be like this. So if that's the case, let's do foo. We'll move this up X to there. And then we'll go over here and do request headers. This one. And do a shift enter there. Yes. All right. We've got it. We've verified the vulnerability. So we can look at the objective. Delete the user Carlos. Always. It's always to delete the user Carlos. Okay. So what if we tried to get admin? Oh, but it said that it does not exist. So this has got to be one where we not found. It's got to be one where we go delete the user. Let's see if we can log into my account. The user can delete themselves. No. I don't see anywhere to delete it, and there's no admin page. Maybe it's on localhost? If so, host, localhost. I don't think this will work. Not found. I don't see a way to delete myself. So how do we delete the user? If there's no admin account or admin page and I can't delete myself, I do not know. Suck. But I verified the vulnerability, so I figure, so I did the right stuff so far. We're gonna have to look at the reveal objective, full lab description. Going to have to. Downgrades, yeah. Exclusive request smuggling vector to gain access. To gain access to another user's account. So, okay. But if I gain access to their account, I still don't have a way. Maybe Carlos has a way to delete himself and Wiener doesn't. Okay, well, access the home page. So we want to poison the next request to the home page, and we want to get here. We want to get his session. He accesses the home page. So we can do that login thing or the home. Is that the right move? So request splitting. We could do request splitting. Q poisoning. I'm thinking we need web cache. Was there cache? We have, let's see, we have the comment we could try. This isn't the same lab, right? Okay. As yesterday, I have no idea if it is. But if we do the comment, he logs in. Did it say he logs in? Solve the lab. The victim accesses the home page. So, access the home page. So what's on the home page? Got headers, dashboard. Yeah. We have this resources blog SVG. Avatar default. Where's the resources blog SVG? Make sure I stay on the same. Oh, so it starts here. What did I say it was? What's this one? Blog posts. They access the home page every 30. So I can do like oh look, it didn't. Inspect. It's cached. Disable cache. Cache control public. So this is a browser cache though, not a web cache or server side cache. Same with this one. All right, well, I'll try the comments. For some reason, I don't think that's right. But I'll try to attack that. Oh, crap. Control-Shift-T, back arrow. Okay. So basically what I'm going to try to do is poison the next response. So every 15 seconds, the victim submits a post. Blah, 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 at blah.com. Okay. So what I need is this information. Copy. Repeater. Show. And this all goes here. Like that. We don't need host localhost. In fact, we don't want it. We don't need this. We need proxy. this host. Where was I? Oh, repeater. Okay, we need content length. We need content type. And then the body. So, proxy. Content type. Peter. Content length. We'll figure that out. We need this. We need our CSRF token and our session token, which actually should be the same, right? If I just get this page, that should have both. Get session is this. Control V. And then CSRF is going to be same as what's here. UKZ. Peter UKZ. Okay, so that's the same. And we're going to move comment, Control X to the end, Control V. We're going to take off blah. And I'm going to figure out the length of this. And then we're going to add some for them. So boom, boom, boom. So we've got 96. And then let's set it to 500. Okay. So we're going to poison with this request. We're going to wait. Actually, let's poison ourselves first to make sure it's working. And then we're going to post to 1. And then once it's working, we'll send it to Turbo Intruder to do it automated. Okay. So ready? Let's do it. Invalid. Quest. Oh, comment 500. 500. Sorry. .302 found. Okay, so let's go here to post 1. Check if that worked. It did. I got my own session. Lab analytics, which is huge. All right, so we'll start with that. And just to verify DPO. And my is DPO. Okay. So this request, I want to extensions, Turbo Intruder, send to Turbo Intruder. Right here, I want /r/n burp2. I want to send this, wait 5, and I want to go, let's just do 10 times to start with. Everything else looks good. Let's do it. Worries me that I'm getting 200. You'd think that my request may poison the next person's. Or I may be poisoning myself at least once. Okay, completed. Let's look at post 1, see if we got anything. We do not. And why not? Halt. Configure. So, /r/n. That should be right. I mean, that's what we have over here. And then, and we're using engine burp 2. Maybe we need this to be HTTP 2. We can try that. Huh. They're queued. I'm gonna check P. I want to go to Chrome Turbo Intruder HTTP 2. This. Yeah, HTTP 2 or burp 2. Okay. So we've got 10 queued. Nothing's working. Engine HTTP 2. Another. Okay. So do I do it manually? Yeah. Can't get it working in Intruder, but I can manually. I don't think this is the right way, though, but I can't think of another way to do it. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2. See, this is what I expected. Two, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if I get a 302, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. We definitely got the victim once. So we need another, I don't know, 200. Let's try. 700. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Send. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Send. We'll send 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last one. I'm going to give it just a second. Okay. That's not the victim. That's the victim. We're starting to get there. I think this may be right. So we need another, probably, oh, there's the victim too. Victim, yeah. So those were, so this was, let's do another 200. It's like 900. Is that too much? I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and we'll give that one a second. Proxy error. Hey, boom, we got this. We've got all their stuff now. So, and this is of the victim. I'm not super excited because I don't know if this is if I'm doing this right. Because I don't have a way to delete my own account. So unless Carlos has some other functionality that my account doesn't have, and if so, that's pretty underhanded. Victim dash fingerprint. Oh, damn it. Victim dash fingerprint. All right, moment of truth. My dash account. So, is that all we had to do? Was log in, not delete? Why won't it let me reveal it? Oh, gain access to another. I'm going to have to rewind this video. I thought we had to delete Carlos. My bad. Not just log in as him. All right, well, we solved it. Things went a lot smoother today. I'm going to do one more day at least, though. Wasn't super smooth. One more day. All right, we solved 2. That's it for me today. Let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Goodbye. Hey, I just want to add this little bit onto the end. I did end up getting Burp Turbo Intruder working. You can see here, I've got the victim cookie stuff here. So let me show you how I did that. I set up, this was the key, this caret and then tilde instead of /r/n. I don't know why, and I couldn't find really any documentation. I just happened to see this in a screenshot. So this is how I'm putting in that carriage return line feed, injection here. And then in this setup, I'm just running this and then sleeping 10 seconds and then running a get. And while this says HTTP 1.1, it is coming through as HTTP 2. It still works fine, so no worries there. And I'm just adding them all to the table. So I'll run this one more time just to show you. Hopefully it doesn't take too much time to get the response. But, first time. You can see it did come through as HTTP2. Here's that. This is that GET request and the victim stuff right there. All right. Thanks.